Ooblalo talk.
Can we PC?
Today is Tuesday.
What day?
All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try. Do our best. Cooperate with others and treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Welcome back, everyone. Yesterday, we talked about what responsibility is and why it's important. Today, we're diving deeper into what it means to take personal responsibility.
That's right. Personal responsibility is when we take charge of our own actions, tasks, and behavior. It means doing what needs to be done even when no one is there to remind us.
Think about the things you need to do every day, like brushing your teeth, finishing your homework, or cleaning your room. These are examples of personal responsibilities, things we are each responsible for doing ourselves.
When we take personal responsibility, it shows that we can be trusted to take care of ourselves and the things that matter to us. It's about doing the right thing, even when no one is watching.
Let's look at some examples. If you wake up on time for school without being reminded, you're showing personal responsibility. Or if you make sure your homework is done before playing video games, that's also being responsible for yourself.
It's not just about tasks. Personal responsibility also means taking care of your belongings, like putting your toys away or keeping your backpack organized. When you take care of your things, they last longer, and it shows that you value what you have.
Taking personal responsibility helps us grow. It teaches us to be more independent and to handle challenges on our own. The more we practice being responsible, the more confident we become.
And it's okay if sometimes things don't go perfectly. Taking responsibility also means admitting when we make a mistake and working to fix it. It's about learning and improving, not just getting it right all the time.
For example, if you forgot to bring a book to school, taking personal responsibility means admitting the mistake and making a plan to remember next time, like setting a reminder.
When we take responsibility for ourselves, others know they can count on us. It builds trust with our parents, teachers, and friends because they see that we're reliable and can take care of our own needs.
Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to think and share. Here are some circle up questions for you and your classmates.
For grades through 5, what is one thing you do every day that shows personal responsibility? How do you feel when you remember to take care of it without being told?
And for grades 6 through 12, think about a time when you had to admit to a mistake and take responsibility for it. What did you learn from that experience? How did it help you grow? This is a great time to pause the video, circle up, and discuss these questions with your classmates. We're going to move forward now.
That's it for today. And remember, personal responsibility is taking charge of your actions and learning from your experiences.
Tomorrow, we'll talk about how responsibility extends beyond ourselves and affects the people around us.
Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Keep practicing personal responsibility in your daily life.
And remember, when you take charge of your actions, you're showing others that you can be trusted. See you next time.